interesting package yesterday, so I'm dying to see what's inside it. A nice carbon fiber spoiler for the back of the SS. So as you can see, oh man, he did a great job. This is a JT carbon fiber spoiler. I've been saying that's an awful big box for just one spoiler. Well, you're correct. What we got here is fiberglass version. So, pretty nice, prepped and ready for paint. I ordered this one originally because I wanted to have a body color spoiler. And then I thought, you know what? I better get a carbon fiber one too in case they stop making them. It looks really nice. As it says, prepped and ready for paint. Now, just so you know, the location bolt for the middle is right there. And then you need to put some double-sided tape on here after you've got it painted and ready to go. But looks like a nice, definitely looks pretty nice. I'm very pleased. I really like this guy. I'm looking at it, it is just gorgeous. So, this is a JT Carbon custom SS sedan spoiler. Man, I think he knocked it out of the park. Definitely worth the wait. So thank you very much, Josh. And comes with some free pillows. Okay, what we have here today is our JT Carbon fiber Chevrolet SS rear spoiler. And I think Josh did a great job on this. It's exactly what I wanted. It's beautiful. The weave is amazing. The clear coat is great. I can't wait to get this all ready for the SS. You see here, got the mounting hardware there. All you need to do is add some double-sided tape. So, looks beautiful. Thank you very much. Here's a closer look at the fiberglass version of the Chevrolet SS JT Carbon prepped and ready for paint fiberglass spoiler. Get you a closer look at that. Looks pretty nice. I think you did a really good job. The mounting location, the underside, really nice. So can't wait to get this one painted and installed. I'll be packing those back up real nice until I'm ready to install them. I won't be installing them yet today, but probably be waiting for a little bit warmer weather, and it's going to be awesome. So let's get you a cold start.